Okay, hi Trân.
Mở mò.
Hi teacher.
Tách mở mò. Có cái kiểu
And Tam, good. Okay, we're going to start with toefl. We're going to do step 2, book 3, unit 4, all about weather. Okay. Okay, now we're going to read the words first, and then we're going to look at the words and the meanings. Okay, let's have a look at the words. Air pollution.
Air pollution.
Trân?
Air pollution.
Air pressure.
Air pressure. Air pressure.
Air pressure. Drought.
Drought.
Good. Dust storm.
Dust storm. Dust storm.
Ice storm.
Ice storm. Ice storm.
Temperature.
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 Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm.
Humid.
Humid.
Hail.
Hail. Hail.
Climate.
Climate. Climate.
Current.
Current. Current.
Humidity.
Humidity. Humidity.
Forecast.
Forecast. Forecast.
Forecast. Typhoon.
Typhoon. Typhoon.
Vapor.
Vapor. Vapor.
Sandstorm.
Sandstorm. Sandstorm.
Snowfall.
Snowfall. Snowfall.
Smog.
Smoke. Smoke.
Sunrise.
Sunrise. Sunrise.
Tam, it's not sunrise, it's sunrise.
Sunrise.
Sunset.
Sunset.
Okay, let's listen.
Sunset.
Let's listen to air pollution.
Ô nhiễm không khí. Ô nhiễm không khí. Ô nhiễm không khí. Ô nhiễm không khí.
Can you hear? Ô nhiễm không khí. That's your air pollution.
Oh.
Let's have a look at air pressure. Air pressure.
Áp suất không khí. Áp suất không khí. Áp suất không khí.
Okay, that's air pressure.
Áp suất không khí. Áp suất không khí.
A drought. Drought is when there's no water or very, very little water. Drought.
Hạn hán.
Hot.
Yes. A dust storm, when there's a wind of dust that's blowing. That's a dust storm.
Bão bụi. Bão bụi. Bão bụi.
That's a dust storm. An ice storm, lots of ice.
Bão tuyết.
Bão
Bão
tuyết.
tuyết.
Okay. Temperature, let's have a look.
Nhiệt độ.
Nhiệt độ.
Nhiệt độ.
Nhiệt độ.
Thunderstorm. Oh, we had a thunderstorm last night. Very scary. Thunder.
Dâu. Dâu. Dâu.
Đâu.
Dâu.
Humid. Let's have a look at humid.
Ẩm ướt. Ẩm ướt.
Ướt.
Viết từ đi.
Hail.
Hiểu.
Yêu. Yêu. Yêu.
Kêu.
Yêu.
Kêu.
Climate. Let's have a look at climate.
Khí hậu. Khí
Khí
hậu.
hậu.
Khí hậu.
Khí hậu.
Hiện hành. Hiện hành.
Hiện
No,
hành.
I think that's the wrong one. Current weather. No.
Thời tiết hiện tại.
Thời tiết
Thời
hiện tại.
tiết hiện tại.
Thời tiết hiện tại.
I'm not sure which one is the right one here.
Thời tiết hiện tại.
Okay, humidity, let's try.
Độ ẩm. Độ ẩm.
Độ.
Dự báo thời tiết.
Weather forecast.
Dự báo
Dự báo thời tiết.
tiết.
Dự báo thời tiết.
Okay, Thai.
Typhoon. Typhoon.
Typhoon.
Bão nhiệt đới. Bão nhiệt đới. Bão nhiệt đới.
Bão nhiệt đới.
Good. Water vapor.
Hơi nước. Hơi nước.
Okay.
Hơi nước.
Sandstorm.
Bão cát. Bão cát.
Cát.
Snowfall.
Ít rơi. Ít rơi.
Ơi.
khói bụi,
Yeah, this is smog.
khói bụi,
Khói bụi.
Sunrise.
bình minh, bình minh,
Min. And then we've got sunset. Oh, yeah, sorry. Sunset.
hoàng hôn,
Okay, now we're going to look at the meaning of the words, okay? Air pollution.
Air pollution.
Okay, air pollution is when the air is dirty. When we make the air dirty with lots of fumes. Okay, let me type it for you. Okay, air pollution. A presence, sorry, looks like I'm going to be sick. A presence in, okay, let's say not a presence, let's say a substance in the air that is harmful. A substance in the air that is harmful. Okay. Like smoke. Smoke is one of it. If you put smoke in the air, it's harmful for our air because we have to breathe it in. Okay. Air pressure. Okay, air pressure is, let me just write here. Okay, the air has weight. And it presses against everything around it. Everything it touches. The air has weight and it presses against everything it touches. Drought means very dry or very limited water. If there's a drought, it's very dry or very limited water. A dust storm. A dust storm is a strong wind which carries fine dust. That's a dust storm. An ice storm is a storm of freezing rain that leaves a coat of ice. Sam B, what is air pollution? Sam B, can you read air pollution? Sam?
Yes.
Read air pollution. What is air pollution?
Air pollution is
A substance
a substance of urine that left a coat of ice.
No, sweetie, you're not reading air pollution. You need to read air pollution. Find air pollution.
Air pollution. The air has word and it possesses always everything it taught.
No, sweetie, you're not reading right. You need to read here. There's air pollution. What is air pollution?
I'm sorry. Air pollution, the sour in the earth that is harmful.
Yes. Trân, what is air pressure?
Air pressure is the air has weight and it presses against everything is touched.
What is a drought, Trân?
A stronger wind will cut the fire.
No, sweetie, no, sweetie. Drought. Look for the word drought.
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 Drought. The storm which caused by use.
Drought. Very dry.
Dry.
Very dry.
Very dry.
Dust storm, Trân. What is a dust storm?
Dust storm is a strong wind which carries fine dust.
What is an ice storm, Trân?
Ice storm is a strong of raining rain that leaves a coat of ice.
Yes. Temperate is a
Nhiệt độ.
region of mild temperatures. Okay, let's have a look at thunderstorm. Thunderstorm is a violent, short weather disturbance. With lightning. It has lightning. Lightning. And thunder. Humid. What is a thunderstorm, Trân?
Thunderstorm is a violent short weather
A violent short weather disturbance.
disturbance with lightning and thunder.
Good. Humid, it's the high level of water vapor in the air. Okay, let me just mark it for you. No, it's this one. That's humid. Okay, and that's ice storm. That's dust. That's dust storm. That's air pressure. And that's that one. Hail. Who knows what hail is? Tam, what is hail?
Teacher, is you loud?
Hail?
You loud.
Okay, let's have a look. Hail is like rain, but it's ice. Hail here. Hail is frozen rain. It's like ice. It's frozen rain. Climate. Climate is the weather conditions in an area. What is a thunderstorm, Tran?
Thunderstorm is a violent short weather disturbance with lightning and thunder.
Yes. What is hail, Tram?
Hail is frozen ice.
It's frozen rain. Yeah, frozen rain. Okay, forecast is to predict the weather. Forecast is to predict the weather. A typhoon is a tropical storm. A tropical storm. Vapor is a substance in the air. Like liquid or yeah, it's almost like clouds and smoke and spray and haze. It's a substance in the air, like almost liquid. A sandstorm is a strong wind which carries fine sand. Snowfall, when it snows, that's snowfall. Snowfall, when it snows. Smog. Smog is almost like when it's foggy, when you can't see. When it's foggy or hazy, you can also say haze. It's like smoke. You can't see. Sunrise, when the sun comes up. Sunset, when the sun goes down. Okay, Tam, now you have to look for the words. What is climate?
Climate is weather is in
Weather,
are
weather conditions. Weather conditions in an area. Say it
then
again.
autumn.
Say it again.
Then autumn.
Tam, weather conditions.
Weather condition in an art
Air, area.
area.
Snowfall, Tran.
Snowfall is when it snows.
Okay. A typhoon, Tam.
A typhoon is tropical.
A tropical storm. What is sunset, Trân?
Sunset is when the sun goes down.
Good. What is sunrise?
Sunrise when the sun comes up.
Good. What is a ice storm, Tam?
I storm is strong of rain just lift a coat of ice.
Good. What is air pressure? Trân?
Air pressure is the air has weight and it presses against everything it touches.
Air pollution, Hong Tam?
Air pollution is a spot, a storm in the air that are harmful.
Good. In the air. A sandstorm, Trân?
Sandstorm is a strong wind which carries fine sand.
Smoke, Hong Tam?
Smoke is fancy are handles or smoke.
Good. Vapor, Trân?
Vapor is substance in the air, liquid.
Liquid, good. What is humid? Hong Tam, humid.
Humid is high level of water
Vapor in the air.
in the air.
Read it again, Hong Tam.
Yes. High level of water vapor in the air.
Good. What is a drought, Trân? Drought.
Drought is very dry.
Yes, not a lot of water. Okay, let's carry on with the reading. Okay, now we're going to read here and you're going to choose words, okay? Here. Okay, Trân, you can read number 1.
Yes. Number 1, a mass of very small drops of a liquid that floats in the air when heated. Yes, drops of a liquid is vapor.
Yes, it is vapor. Good job. Vapor. Hong Tam, number 2.
A long breath and of dry water with up and water of rain.
No, sweetie, I can't hear what you were saying. A long period of dry weather without enough water for plants and animals to live. Can you read it again?
Yes. A long portion of dry water
Without enough
water of for plant and animal to live.
Good. Okay, what do you think?
My thing is climate.
No, sweetie, it's not climate. Can you try again?
Yes. Dropper.
Drought. 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 Okay, number 3, Tran.
The weather conditions is
I can't hear you, Tran. You have to unmute.
is temperature.
No, sweetie, look at the words. Climate.
It's
Climate.
climate.
Yeah. Hang Tan, number 4.
Forest raindrop is a is
Okay, we've got that word. We've got that word. We've got that word.
sun is hard.
Hail.
Hail.
The last one, Tran.
The time of day when the sun disappears is sunset.
Yeah. Good. Okay, now we're going to try this one. Okay, complete the sentences. Hang Tan, you can go first. The weather.
Yes.
The
The water. The water. The water just start says that is going to rain today.
The weather.
Forecast.
Yes. Good.
Forecast.
Yeah. Next one, Tran.
when the more dust when the dust storm when the
Humidity. Good.
humidity
Is high. There's more water in the air. Number 3. Number 3.
My dad work on a farm. He began working at
He begins working.
Working at Bluter.
No, let's try again. Hang Tan, he
Yeah.
begins.
He begin does
No, he begins working.
work on sunset every day.
No, there's no sunset. Sunrise.
Sunrise.
Right?
air pollution can be harmful to humans since it contains gases, dust, particles, and
Fumes, fumes. Hong Tan, number 5.
When there is a huge storm, you must put a mask over your nose and mouth when you are outside.
A dust storm. Okay. Reading here. Okay, Tran, you can read number 1.
Yeah. It is an electric
Appliance.
appliance used in a building. It helps the air cool down inside the building.
What is it?
Is B.
Air conditioner,
An
yeah.
air
Conditioner, good.
conditioner.
Hong Tan, the next one.
Yes. This is term.
A type of measurement.
This is a temper of the man. It tells us how hot or cold a plant of this is.
Tell us how hot.
This is a
Temperature.
temperature.
Good. Okay, number 3. Tran.
It is a temperature
Scale.
scales. If the degree is 0, it means it is freezing cold. If it is 100, it means it is boiling hot.
Serious, Celsius, or celebrity?
Is A.
It is actually number. Quite
It's
difficult, this
B.
one. It's B, yeah. Good. Okay, Hong Tan, number 4.
When the sweater is like this, you cannot see it clearing because the rubber is bucket for visit. The weather is foggy.
Yes, the weather is foggy. Good. Okay, let's have a look here. Okay, Tran, earlier today.
Earlier today. Hazy. Right.
Okay.
Which sentence is true? Is earlier today.
Which